Blue. Biglang gawin ng ayos nila.
Kembot, pagka-slide ng kembot.
I'm addicted to the way that you touch me. I want you.
Okay. How about Stella? You guys want to see Stella do that?
What do you want to see?
I definitely want to see Stella.
I'm addicted to the way that you touch me. I want you.
Ano ba?
How about Justin? Tingin dance sa'yo. Para bahala. I'm addicted to the way that you touch me. I want you. Lagot lang dyan si Tita Gemma. Tita Gemma, oh.
Sino ang gusto makakita sa inyo? Tatlong ikot ng hips. Tatlong ikot.
Junag daw, Junag.
Junag.
I'm addicted to the way that you touch me. I want you. Last leg ng pagkakanta. Siyempre may pinakita sa kanya. Pero since special kayo, kaya ginawa na lang namin yan.
Sa pinali, mas marami daw kembot.
Mas maraming kayo.
Gusto ko sana makita yung tatlong ikot, ay yung dalawang ikot ng hips.
Next time. Gagawin kong 20 plus.
Next time na.
So, how are you guys? Are you still okay? Are you still enjoying? Are you still okay? Say, I'm okay. Yeah, nandiyo ba this ka? Oh, yun lang alam ko eh. Well, if you like our songs, thank you so much. Well, but we will be releasing a new one. So, are you guys excited for Moonlight? Are you guys excited for Moonlight? Oh, same. We are also excited and we really prepared something for you guys. What? What? I can't hear you guys. Calm down.
Yung nasa tuktik.
Okay. You guys wanna hear Moonlight? Siyempre, ginawa namin sa Dubai, dapat gagawin din namin. Sample daw, sample. Kakanta natin. 5, 6, 7, and boom! Na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na, doing what we do in the moonlight. Are you guys excited for Moonlight? Yeah, kami rin sobrang excited and we really prepared something for you guys. We're really excited and we're very yeah. I just want to say na sobrang happy. We're so happy tonight because just like what happened in the US and in Canada, we're seeing foreigners like the Japanese locals here singing to our songs, singing along with our songs. Salamat po, maraming salamat. Sobrang nakaka-proud. We're so proud na thank you so much. Thank you so much. That nare-reach na ng kanta namin yung global scene and unti-unti, diba? So, gusto kong pasalamatan kayo lahat, 18, because without you guys, we won't be receiving this much love from all over the world. So, props to all of you guys. Enjoy. Again.
And of course, since it's our last stop for Asia Tour, we hope that this night is the best night for you tonight in the Moonlight. So thank you so much for making this night the best night for us as well. Yes.
Go ahead.
Of course, it was just a simple one. We know also na hindi siya yung tipong gaya ng ibang
concert na iba na sobrang bongga talaga. But seeing you guys here finally, nakapunta kami sa Japan, nakapag-perform. So all of you, beautiful 18, I just want to say thank you so much sa pagpunta dito, sa pag-appreciate sa amin, sa pagtanggap sa amin. We appreciate you so much. We love you guys so much.
We love you guys so much, and you know that. You know that.
We really love you so much from the bottom of our hearts. Sobrang grateful kami every time na pumupunta kayo, mag-antay kayo from 4 a.m. I don't know kung anong oras kayo, kung kahapon pa kayo nag-antay. Sobrang grateful namin and sobrang thankful namin sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat po.
Kagaya na sinabi ni Ken, almost a year later, since we released Back to Time, and still, it really does feel like we're doing it for the first time. And actually, first time talaga, dahil dito sa Japan, nakakatuwa. Grabe yung energy niyo. Watashi wa energy ga daisuki desu.
Sugoy.
But we still want moto noise.
Moto noise.
And yeah, going back to the topic, tonight wasn't just about us. Why? Hey, nani? Tonight wasn't just about us. It's about you and the connection we made together from the past years that we were together. And of course, sabi nga namin, walang makakapaghiwalay sa ating lahat. Because SB19, X18, forever na yan. Kaya naman, 18!